Reported by Sardar Shaukat Mahmood Khan. Islamabad today. The bonds between the people of Pakistan and Turkey are strong and enduring, with both nations standing by each other through joys and challenges, said Turkish Ambassador to Pakistan, Irfan Neziroglu. He expressed these sentiments while addressing the inauguration ceremony of the newly refurbished main conference hall at the National Press Club, NPC, in Islamabad. The grand event took place yesterday, with Ambassador Irfan Neziroglu as the chief guest. The renovation of the NPC's conference hall was carried out by the Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency, TICA. The ceremony began with the recitation of the Holy Quran by renowned Qari Syed Sadakat Ali. The event was moderated by NPC Secretary Nair Ali. Commending the collaboration between NPC and TICA, the Turkish ambassador congratulated the press club's administration on organizing a successful ceremony. He remarked that TICA is dedicated to serving its Pakistani brothers and described the refurbished conference hall as a world-class facility. He lauded both NPC and TICA for their efforts and praised the press club for its commendable services to its members. TICA's head of department, Dursun Ali Yasagan, highlighted the exceptional friendship between Pakistan and Turkey. He reiterated TICA's commitment to continuing its collaboration with the NPC. President of the Pakistan Federal Union of Journalists, PFUJ, Afzal Butt, thanked TICA for its support and described the renovation as a proud achievement for NPC's current body, particularly Senior Vice President Ehtisham Ul Haq. He also acknowledged the contributions of past NPC presidents, including Tariq Chaudhry, Shakil Anjum, and Anwar Raza, in the club's development. NPC President Azar Jatoy expressed gratitude to TICA for its assistance and emphasized the administration's dedication to providing its members with state-of-the-art facilities. He called the renovated hall a living example of this commitment. NPC Secretary Nair Ali termed the day historic for journalists in the Twin Cities, noting that TICA's support had made the construction of a world-class conference hall possible. Senior journalist and poet Sajjad Laka recited a poem honoring the bravery of the Turkish people. Senior Vice President Ehtisham Ul Haq extended heartfelt thanks to Turkey's ambassador, the Turkish government, and TICA's head, Mohsin Balk, for their invaluable contributions. He also highlighted TICA's extensive efforts in Pakistan, including projects at Islamia University Peshawar, GC University Lahore, Rawalpindi Women University, and Pakistan's first public sector pet clinic in Rawalpindi. Over the past 3 years, TICA has successfully completed more than 70 projects in Pakistan. President PFUJ Afzal Butt, President NPC Azhar Jatoy, Secretary Nair Ali, and Finance Secretary Waqar Abbasi presented commemorative shields to the distinguished guests. The ceremony concluded with tree plantation in the NPC lawn by the honored guests.